Yeah, my name is James Adetunji. One of the agents of Gold Star Roof came to my house. They introduced themselves. At that time, I really need a roof badly, and I explained to him what I need, and they were be able to give me a very good discount on my roof. And as you can see, they did a very good job on the roof. I picked the color that I wanted, even though they don't have it then. They go to the extra leg extent to go and find me the color that I actually needed. They did a very good job for me, and they helped me out in every angle, and I really love their job. I appreciate them very well. You know, it's Gold Star Room will be one that I will introduce to people. Anybody that needs their roof to be done, they'll be the best to help them out to do it for them. I really appreciate them. That's it.